Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video, how to go live from TikTok on PC. To get started, let's open Chrome browser or other browsers you have on your laptop and search TikTok Live Studio. Now scroll down and click on this link. Now click on free download for Windows. Live Studio exe file has been successfully downloaded. Let's open it and install it on your PC. Now go to search bar and search TikTok Live Studio and click on it. Now log in your TikTok account on Live Studio. Use QR code to log in. I have made the video on how to log in with QR code on PC. You can go and check it out. As soon as QR code is scanned, you've been logged in successfully on Live Studio. Now in the bottom you can see Go Live. To go live, click on Go Live. In this way you can go live on PC. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.